How to enable virtualization on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn on or enable the virtualization on Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to log into your BIOS on your PC or laptop. So for that, you'll have to just find out the BIOS login key. So as usual, you can easily find out your BIOS login key by opening any browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this house you'll have to search for BIOS login key, and from here you can easily find your BIOS login key which will be used for your PC or laptop. And after you find your BIOS login key, you'll have to just restart your laptop. So for that, you'll have to just click on the Windows icon just at the bottom of your taskbar, and from here click on power icon, and from here you'll have to click on option restart.
Alright, so after you are restarting your laptop, you'll have to just continuously press that BIOS key when it will show with the logo. Alright, so you have to just continuously press that key. Alright, so after you enter the BIOS on your laptop, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just use your down arrow key to find the sections like advanced. So you have to just press your down arrow key, and after you are come on the advanced section, you can easily find the options like virtualization technology. So after you find this option, you'll have to press the enter key. Alright, so after you press the enter key, you'll be able to see options like disable or enable. So simply from here, you'll have to just choose the enable from here, and after you choose it, press the enter key. Alright, so after you enable the virtualization technology from the BIOS, you'll have to just press the F10 key to save and exit from the BIOS. So simply press the F10 key. Alright, so after you done it, you'll have to press your enter key.
Alright, so after you enable the virtualization from the BIOS and restart your computer, you'll have to just check for the virtualization is enabled or not on your PC. So for that, you'll have to open the task manager on your PC, and for that you can easily search in the search bar for task manager, or you can easily use the shortcut key like Ctrl Shift and ESC. Alright, so after you open the task manager, you'll got such interface. So from here, click on the option performance, and from here click on the option CPU, and from this CPU section you can easily find the options like virtualization, and from this virtualization section you can easily find whether it's enabled or not. So from here you can easily confirm it virtualization is enabled or not on your PCs.